Say goodbye to photo studios. AI photographer works 24/7. Don't hire a photographer again. AI photographer is available 24/7 for you. How to generate professional pictures for your resume and social media handles in minutes. 1. Headshot Pro. Generate realistic professional pictures to make your resume and social media profile rise and shine. Check here. https://drp.li/j1tes. 2. Process. 1. Select style. 2. Upload selfies. 3. Let AI do the work. 4. Download your favorites. Try here. https://drp.li/j1tes. 3. Backdrops and clothing. You can choose 1. Cafe, 2. Alley, 3. Park, 4. Bookshelf, and more. Try now. https://drp.li/j1tes.